These are a set of fully trimmed headrest units for the Jaguar E-Types and also the XJ6 range. So these have been made using our covers and aftermarket foams. It's been done in black grained leather, and it has the embossed pattern on the center panels there, which was very common for the Series 2s and Series 3s on the E-Type range. The customer has supplied his old headrest stalks and the finisher plate at the bottom here, and then we have replaced the covers and the foams and trimmed them up for him here. So as you can see, very nice job. They're a bit more complicated than they look. Actually, they're quite deceptive headrests. You do have to often use a bit more padding than the molded headrests that are made in the aftermarket to get them to fill out nicely. You get this nice top stitching going around the edges here, and then it gets a bit messy under here, which is why they have the finisher plates on them there. It's also worth noting as well, while I'm on the subject, this barb here is what stops the headrest from sliding up and down fully out of the framework there. So when you're trying to release, you can just about see the plates in there. When you're trying to release the headrest to actually take them out, that's what you're aiming for there. It's obviously quite hard because you're working blind. You're effectively trying to either put your hand up the back of the cover or feel it through the cover, which can compromise the cover itself on the backrest. But that's the area there that you're looking for. You push it in and then it releases as you pull it up there. See our website and our handbook for more details.